been going to the gym, doing the bench press, the flies, the cable crossovers, and your chest still looks exactly the same. Flat, underdeveloped, and you're starting to wonder if your genetics are just bad. They're not. The truth is, you've been making one critical mistake that's been silently killing your chest gains this entire time. Most people doing chest day aren't actually training their chest. They're training their front delts and their triceps, and the chest just sits there doing almost nothing. This is called poor muscle activation, and it's the #1 reason your pecs refuse to grow no matter how much weight you push. So how do you fix it? Put your hands together right now and squeeze them as hard as you can. Feel that deep contraction across your pecs? That is what you need to feel on every single rep. Drop the ego, lower the weight by 20 to 30%, slow down the eccentric to 3 full seconds, and switch to a 15 to 30 degree incline to shift the tension directly onto your chest instead of your shoulders. The 3 exercises that will change everything are incline dumbbell press, cable chest flies, and the dumbbell pullover. Focus on the squeeze, control the tempo, and you will see real changes within 4 weeks. Building a bigger chest isn't about more sets or heavier weight. It's about making the right muscle do the right work every single rep. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.